Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And in this case, it's Polybag 30446, the Batmobile. And this is actually one of a couple of different Batmobile Polybags there are. And we'll take a look at the other Polybags sometime in the future. Also, if you enjoyed this kind of video, the whole LEGO Polybag build-along thing, please think about subscribing and turning on notifications, because I plan on doing these type of videos for the foreseeable future. So if you like this kind of thing, then think about subscribing. Also, while I'm at it, if you happen to like knife videos and Swiss Army knife videos and random pocket gadget type videos, you also might want to think about subscribing, because I do those as well. Okay. Oh, also, if you wanted to build along with me, there's links in the description for where you can find this set on Amazon and on Bricklink. There's also the brick set link for this particular set if you want to just get information on the set itself. There's also a Google Sheets link for the Google spreadsheet that has information about, I guess it's this one, about the Polybags, past and present. So if you're interested in that, alright, that's kind of interesting. Okay. So we got that. And we need, this goes on the front. Or a little roll bar looking thing, I think. Alright, we got that, we got that. So we need this. Oops. So this is going to go here, like so, and this is going to go here like so, and then we have the transparent black right there, and this, and then two more transparent black pieces. I'm assuming these are sort of to simulate headlights, maybe? My guess. We'll see. Alright, so we got that. And we put these on the sides. Alright, fair enough. So this goes here. Like that. And we're just going to find the other three. Like that. And then on the other side. And one more. Here we go. Like so. Alright, so that takes care of that. Now, so let's see. Now what we gotta do, add the red piece to the back, lined up like that, and the black 2x4 right there, and then the front engine, or the front, I don't know what you call it, hood maybe? And then we clip in a black lightsaber in the front. So, like that. I think it's pretty lined up right. Okay. So So next, we have some dark gray headlights facing forward and backwards. On the back. Oops. Almost lost that little cheese wedge. Got that one. And then these two. So facing like that. So we're looking at this. Got that right there. And then this goes on top. Right here. So this gives us the gap right there. So we assemble two of these side pieces. Alright. So the side pieces have a vent, an angled vent thing, like so. I should actually learn what these pieces are called and stop calling them vents. Unless maybe they are vents or grills or something. And we put a little black cheese wedge right there. And another little cheese wedge right here. So we put these two together. And they attach here and here. Like so. Alright. So next, we take these two things, take two of these things, insert them in here. This is kind of weird. Let's see. One inserts in there like that, and this one inserts on the other side. Like so, into the other headlight, and I'm assuming I'm gonna need to be able to get to this one. Alright, so that's right there, and then we clip these things on the top. Alright, that's officially weird. But I'm game. I'm gonna try it. I'm game for trying this. Alright, so this clips right here, like so. And then this one clips on the other one, also like so. Like that. So we're sitting right there. And so we got those, and then we add this to the back for some fire. Right here. And then this goes on top to cover that up, like so. And then we have a 1x2 tile and a 1x2. So that goes right here. And then two of the translucent black cheese wedges go here. And here. These two. Like so. And this piece fits over it like that. It's kind of cool. Alright. I'm good so far. And then... oh, and the wings. I forgot about the wings. So... wing number 1. And wing number 2, like so, and this goes on top like that. takes care of the wings. That takes care of that. And so next, how do we attach those? Did I miss something? Maybe. Oh, okay. Let's go on the bar. Oh. Alright, I guess. Maybe. Sorta. We're gonna need 2 of these attached to the bar. That's 1 and 2. Like that. And then once we attach them to the bar, we're going to attach the teeth right there. So it's like tooth number 1 and tooth number 2. I'm doing these first so I don't have to fight with getting them lined up and everything and then getting them realigned on that bar. Alright, so then we just kind of slide them on to the bar, like so. That goes like that. And this one goes like this. Get them all lined up. It's pretty lined up to me, I think. At least close to it. And then we had the wheels. So we have the big wheels and the smaller wheels, and we have the bigger wheel things and smaller wheel things. Alright, wheel number 1 and wheel number 2. And these have the little smaller pieces, so they definitely go in the back. And then these wheels go on the front because they have the larger pieces. So that one and this one, like so. Alright. So the Batmobile made some interesting choices building wise. Am I supposed to like fold those down or something right there? I don't really know what this is for. What this is intended to simulate. We'll fold them down. So you got that. And then these clip on the front. Like so. And they fold back, I guess? Yeah, I guess so. That's kind of interesting. I don't know. What do you think? Kind of nifty, I guess. Did I miss? I did. I missed putting these on. Ooh, good call me. I just noticed that. I was like, I was surprised that they had these headlights in the back that didn't have anything on them. Okay. I missed that. I'm glad I caught it. So anyway, what do you think? I've taken to liking the little car polybags a lot more than I used to. Anyway, extra piece-wise, now that we sorted out that 2 of those needed to go on the back, it's right there. So something is not. Oh, move this over a teeny bit. Oh, just a teeny bit. Yeah, there we go. Now it rolls just fine. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you have any suggestions for anything I should check out, let me know in the comments. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.